Greetings everyone. This will be a short showcasing my recent work where I will take you a few minutes to guide you through the app and discuss very simply what I have done so far. On the screen you can see there is a mobile screen which has been laid out with the text like a January, and there are 7 simple cards that showcasing the date and the day of the week. And next one there is a filter, all, and some task. So again on the left side there was ThunderClient, or I could say the back end of this app, and the right side the front end of the front end or the app which has been complete so far. And before moving to the next topic, let me simply lay out the backend DB. And here is the data table entities for the user IDs, and the next one is the task table where the entities are like task ID, title, description, hex color. So you can see just notice there that the hex color is the format of the text, but however you can see on my app here on my app the task card is different task card has different colors. So here the what happened actually is on the front end or the app side I will take the colors as the format of colors, and then it will be converted to the text which text will be stored in the database. And again when I fetch from the database, the string that converted into the color will be converted again into that color and store the colors, or the replace the color on the task card. Okay, so it's actually the basically a task management app where it's more focused on the connection between the Flutter and the TypeScript. The front end or the app code base function focusing on the Flutter. As I mentioned, the app is focusing most on the cross connection between the TypeScript and the Flutter. So therefore I haven't used the Go router or the proper block state management or even the provider. Instead of following depending on the state management system design, I choose Cubit as the app, yet not on the large scale. So I'll attach the app flow or the data flow of an user on the post. Just let's start from the scratch. I already said enough about the backend or the database. So just one thing more. Here on the backend there is an auth-ts middleware inside of the middleware. So auth-ts is mainly the middleware of the app which authentication middleware for an express app. You can say it verifies the JWT token and the user with that token is do exist on that app or not, on the database or not. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning or the scratch. Let me just clear all the data. Okay, as I have cleared all the data, my connection has been lost with the device. So let's establish the connection again. It will take few seconds. Okay, 3.1 seconds. Alright, let's just create an account that hasn't been created yet. So let's go to sign up page and username, let's say test 33. Okay, email test33@gmail.com. I don't even know that if the test33 Gmail has exist on the Google server or not. Test33 and just say test33 and test, and what if I entered the wrong password here? So you can see the password do not match. Even I can say test33. Okay, password do not match. Okay, test33 and test33 at the gmail.com, and the username is test33. Okay, my account has been created, and let's log in now. Go to the login page. Test33 enter it at gmail.com. Test33. Yes. Okay, finally I can log in the app. As you can see, on the day 13 my my home page is empty. On even on the day 14, day 15, day 16, day 17, day 18, day 19. Okay, everything is empty. Why? Because I haven't created, as my account has been just started uh, now, and therefore, and moreover I haven't created any type of task yet. So let's go and create some task. Okay, add new task. Let's create some task. So I have added to title. Let's say task and way. Okay, time to sleep. Okay, it's time for sleep. Tag sleep. Let's give the priority medium. Let's choose a color. So the color will be here. The color you pick will be responsible for the task card UI color of that. So let's go to the 17. Okay, just let's say I haven't give any I have not select any type of date. Then what will happen? So let's say, okay, I want to select 17, 18, 19, 20, or else anything else. So just keep the simplicity here. And now listen. Okay, so I'm on the 19th day, but my task, as I haven't added any types of date, so therefore the task will be stored on the current date of today. So as I said, the recording, I'm recording on the 16th January. So let's see, click on the 16th January. Here it is. On the 16th January, Thursday, you can see here is my task card. So let's create another task. Okay, let me do quickly. Let's say test 1. Okay, let's say test 1, test 1, test. Let's just give it urgent. Okay, let's just, okay, 18. Okay, let's pick 18. Due date is 2/55. Okay, let's go to the 18th day, and here it is, the test one here. Okay, let's just create on 16 January test 10. Okay, let me do some more. Test 11, test 7, test low, test 5, test 5, test medium. Okay, two more, test 6, 7. Okay, so as I have already added some tests, so let's check that my endpoint is working okay or not. Okay, let me go to the ThunderClient. So my backend is running on the Docker, as you can see here. Okay. Task. Oh, forgot. Oh, test 33. Test 33 and then gmail.com. Test 33. Okay. Let's say what I got. 61. Now that's I'm actually getting the wrong data here. Why? Let me log into it. Sign in and here log in. Test 33. Test 33. Oh, I forgot to add the token on the X auth token. So where here here I did the mistake. Okay, now I can see the test all the task list here. Let me zoom a little bit. Okay, here I can see all the test all the task list for the user test 33, and that's it. And yeah, that's it. So and also I can see that all the tests are not been completed yet. So how I can make sure the test has been completed or not? So let's say I click on the test 10 card. Okay, its priority is urgent and it's not completed yet, so I mark as a complete. So here, so on the home page, as I can see that the task that has been completed will be less visible, or the opacity will be less than the task which has not been completed yet. And on the task that has been completed, on the task card I can see there is a green tick mark, that will indicate the task has been completed, so you don't have to worry about it anymore. Let's check if my task has been changes on the server side. So this is test 10. Okay, so let's say test 10, time to sleep, test 11, test 5, test 66, test 69, and here test 10. It is true, so the task has been completed. Okay, again I want to talk about one thing more. Let's say I marked it's not completed yet. Okay, again it's become false, so the task hasn't been completed yet. The thing I want to talk about is right now, here is a filter option. Filter feature. The filter feature will let the user know what type of work he want to focus right now at this moment. Let's say he want to know that what are the urgent tasks for me. So if he filtered the urgent tasks, only the tasks that related to the urgent priorities will be shown to his home pages. So let's say again, if he choose medium priority task, so the task that has the medium priority will be shown on his screen. Okay, now let's click on the test 5. Let's click on the test 5, and now okay, let's focus on the description. Test 5, I'm sorry, test 5. On test 5 the font size is too small, so let me make it bigger. Okay, it's bigger now. and let's make it bold. Close the task, close my app, go to Google. Okay, continue. Okay, so now let's open the task again and click on the task. Oh, look, I guess you haven't noticed that the format I kept on the state, that is bold, and the font size is, I guess, 15 or 16, but that work has been done by the shared preference. So here, let me open up the shared preference code. Here it is a shared preference. So shared preference, okay, the alarm task I haven't been implemented yet. Here on the shared preference I have added a feature that will be responsible to save your style, save your formation. Like if you want the text font, let's say make it letter. Okay, you make the description text as a italic formation, and now if you close the app, even if you close the app and reopen the app, the text will be saved as you left off, and this is fully responsible for the shared preference. And even when I open up the app, let's terminate the app. Let's rerun the app here. So you can see that I have not logged in. I haven't logged in like before, as once I have created an account and logged in, then a token will be saved on my shared preference, and which will be work later when I open the app. Therefore I won't have to authenticate myself again and again. That's a very simple and the powerful feature of the shared preference. Here it is again. As I said, I close the app, rerun the app, and my text formation is still the same as when I left off. So that's it. That's the point of shared preference. Now let's go to the deletion of task. So let's delete the task. It's test 5. The task name is my test 5, and let's delete this. Are you sure you want to delete this? Yes. Okay, my test 5 has been deleted. Let's just check. Here it is. My test 5 has been deleted even from the database. There is no existence of the test 5. So now open up the app, and let's say we want to modify the text 10 test, and let's modify the test 10, and here it is, test 10, edit. Let's add edit and test edited. Let's give the priority urgent. Make it okay. Here it is, test 10. The color of the text 10 has been removed, or I say modified, as it was the blue before the edit, and now after the edit, after I modified it, has become light orange, as I could say. Let's keep it a light orange. Okay, so now click on the urgent filter. Okay, here I can see the test 10 edit formations, which priority is now urgent. So it's all the work I have done this far, and as I already mentioned that the app is more focused on the connection between the Flutter and the TypeScript, the front end or the app code base, focusing on the Flutter. And yes, that's all for now. So